Alright guys, so this point right here, it's one of the reasons why we travel thousands of kilometers just to get here. Look at this.
And then translate to Nusa Penida.
Good morning guys, beautiful morning by the pier of Sanur.
Bright and early, we got up at 5 a.m. this morning.
Oh my god, that was so early. But we are up to Nusa Penida.
So this is a little car boarding. We booked this whole journey from Sanur to Gilimeno with Nusa Penida Backpacker on Instagram. I'm gonna put the handle down below. We don't, like, I've seen a lot of reviews, but we don't actually know how the experience is, so we are here to go through it with you guys. So we booked a ferry from here to Nusa Penida for 150k per person, and then we have a driver for 2 days for 600k per day, which is about $60, and he will take us to all the viewpoints in Nusa Penida. And then the day after, we're taking a speedboat to Gilimeno, and that's 400k per person for the ticket. So let's see how this goes.
There was a squirrel up this tree that was peeing and everybody was looking like hey, we have to leave the sandals here before we get on the boat. Oh, sorry guys. And this is the boat that is waiting for us. Okay.
This is a car for the next 2 days.
Oh, it's a nice Venza. It's a nice big car. It's gonna be comfortable. You have a nice car.
We did book a driver. You can rent your own motorcycle. It's possible, but the roads here, the roads here are really difficult, which is why we decided to go with the driver, even though we enjoy having a motorbike.
Yeah, trust me, I really like driving my motorbike.
Yeah, but everything we've heard, everything we've read about, like the roads on Nusa Penida, and you guys gonna see like what we go through later on. So,
and if you guys are, you know, easy to get car sick, careful.
Yeah.
Okay, you sure you want to do this? Okay. Alright guys, we have an expert driver. He just managed to squeeze in between like a really thin line because there's a lot of car parks here.
Yeah, we had maybe like 5 centimeters on each side.
Oh, 5, you're generous.
As we face misconceptions, picture perfect, a balanced blend.
I am Wayan. You say hello.
Nice
Wayan.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Our receptionist's name is also Wayan. Our driver's name is Wayan too.
My name is gonna be Wayan if I live here.
Yeah. So that's gonna be our pool. We're here for 2 nights, guys. Look at the fishies.
Okay guys, so we just arrived into a room. We're gonna give you guys a real quick room tour because we can't wait to explore Nusa.
And it's really simple as well. So it's we have a apartment in front of the pool, and there's a restaurant here at the Airbnb, and there's a koi fish pond. You see the fish? I'm really excited about that. So this is our bedroom. You have AC and a fridge, which is very important for me. You have Wi-Fi here as well, and you have a little bathroom with the shower and the toilet. So really everything we need for our 2 days of exploring here in Nusa Penida. Let's go back into the car.
Misconceptions, picture perfect.
Okay, so you guys want to know how good it's the road here? I just switched my GoPros so the stabilization it's better, but not sure, not even sure if I'm gonna use this footage.
I don't even know how you can drive a motorbike here if you're not an expert driver. Like, it's insane.
Yeah,
And it's not like for 2 minutes. It's like a good 40 minutes drive.
yep, he warns us before we got into this the road. But it's not so bad at the north coast of the island. The roads are better. It's just when you venture inside.
Took us about 1 hour, but we're now at the Angel Billabong, which is also the pathway to the Broken Beach. So the two are together, and we're now gonna walk toward them.
In and out, one thought, and we break. Airborne as we fade.
Okay guys, we just walked further away and we got to Broken Beach. Have to be so careful.
It's like 5 minutes away by walk, and it's so beautiful. It's a hole that the salt water carved into the limestone, so the water can come in from the ocean. And it's really nice. Have a look.
Bam! Look at this, guys. It's awesome. Wow.
Picture perfect, a balanced blend and some pretend.
So we are currently on the bridge portion of Broken Beach. So the archway is right underneath us, and you can see the beach here on my left, which is why it's a broken beach and not a broken bridge or rock.
We just found a new talent to our driver.
Yeah,
He's actually a very good photographer. He's like awesome. He knows how to frame pictures, and he does
so
it more.
The thumbnail you saw is probably coming from him. I'm about to fire Takyo as an official
No,
photo.
please. No, please. I want to travel and eat yummy food. But Wayan is a really good photographer. Alright, so a quick stop because it's kind of hot right now.
Yeah, we're dying.
And Jay's favorite drink. Like, see, with her two hands. And what did you do to the poor headrest?
No, what did the poor headrest do to me?
So we arrived at our third destination. This is called KelingKing.
Yes, and it took us about 45 minutes. There were tons of traffic on the road.
Yeah, and while being in the traffic, I was wondering, this island looks a bit dry, but you guys know what? We're in the end of the dry season, which is from April to October. We're currently October. That's why it looks so dry. But we saw some, rice field, and I'm sure during the wet season or somewhere in the middle, it's like beautiful green here. Okay guys, this is the reason why we travel thousands of kilometers far away from our home to get right here. I've seen this thousands of times in Instagram, on pictures and vlogs, and now that we are here, just unreal. One iPad, one telephone. Really professional photographer. Oh, secret path. I like that. Okay, we're currently walking further away from the crowd just to get that unique picture. But if you stand there, there's a couple of stands where you can take picture, and you have to pay like 5,000 rupiah to get on a stand and have that picture with nobody. But just walk further away, you're gonna like that. Wayan, you know all the best spot, huh? You're good. Look at this. We're all alone here. Wow. Oh guys, it's so worth it to walk further away from the crowd. You just have to follow the cliff a little bit further and you can see the whole picture of KelingKing. Do you think we're gonna regret not having get all the way down to the beach?
Well, I think there are several beaches that are really nice. And there was a motorbike, so it was really loud. But I don't think you want to spend, because we are spending
2 hours, you know, just
slow.
up and down.
He's very slow, so 2 hours for up and down plus an hour at the beach. So that's 3 hours of a day that we're spending just at this spot. I don't think that's what we want to do. Diamond Beach though.
On the vlog, on the
I really
vlog.
want to go there.
Hey, what's up? So I don't know. What would you guys do? Would you guys take 2 hours going up, down there?
And suddenly, magically, we have corn in our hand because we were hungry and they're spicy and it's Taiko's favorite. And it is noon, so it is past noon. It's 1 o'clock now, so we're a little bit hungry. Now we just have to find a car. You remember where you went?
Everything will probably go.
The sun, it's hot. It's
Yeah.
lava sun here.
So, yeah.
So guys, we just arrived at Crystal. Ooh, hot.
Crystal Bay.
Yeah.
It's a beach when you can swim. And
Oh,
it's also a sunset beach if you are, you want to, do sunset at one point in a tour.
wow, it's so rewarding here. It's fresh. I feel like I'm gonna go dig in the water. Wow, this beach feels so rewarding, guys. It was a really hot day and now just fresh water is waiting for us just right there. There's a lot of small rocks here and there, you know. It's not a perfect, soft white sand. There's coral rocks and it goes deep very fast, like right now.
It's like a little bit like in the Gillies.
Yeah, eh?
There are a lot of reef, like pieces of broken reef
Oh my god.
and then you can see right here there are a lot of bigger rocks. It's a little bit like the Gillies.
Some information for you guys. The beach chair here is 100K for 2 chairs.
And the umbrella.
Yep. And also this is one of the best spots to watch sunset if you guys can make it. Unfortunately for us, we don't have the time today to stay after the sunset, and also think
The
that
drive back can be pretty hard.
yeah, because we saw no lights. Like it could be
Yeah.
pitch black on the way back.
And it's a little stairs over there and it's in the mountains that will take you to another beach on the other side. Thank you internet, because obviously we didn't go there and we were about to fly the drone as a lot of people do over there, but the drone ran out of battery, so we will not have pictures of that for you guys.
Wow guys, look at this sky. We've been here for like 2 hours. There's not one single cloud. That's
Yeah.
insane.
It's so nice and hot.
Yeah.
But we're starting to be tired because we woke up at 5, so we're gonna let you guys go.
So tomorrow we're gonna present you guys more of Nusa Penida.
Yeah, we're going to Diamond Beach, which is the thing I'm most looking forward to. In the meantime, if you like today's vlog, please hit the thumbs up button, leave us a comment below which activity you like best, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
And don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.